Welcome friends in v365tech. Okay, now we have to install entity framework and go to solution first code, right click. After that go to manage NuGet packages for solutions. Click on that. After that here type entity framework. Then click on browse. What is this error? Friends, it searches entity framework. You must have internet connection for this. Here is the entity framework, 42.9 MB. Okay friends, here is select first code and then install it. You must have internet connection to download and install it. Entity framework. It gets little bit time. Okay. Accept. It gets files which are visible for entity framework. It takes some time. It takes so much time for installing entity framework. Now stop this part and in next part we cover whatever operations in the form. Okay friends, thank you for watching.